That's a very important advocacy, banning political dynasties. And luckily for us, si Speaker Boji D, even though he belongs to one of the fattest dynasties, admitted siya, self-admitted, no? But he said recently lang na they will try to pass an anti-political dynasty. Kasi hindi naman pwede tayo, rally lang tayo ng rally, sigaw tayo ng sigaw. Galit tayo, tama yan. Pero dapat may singil. Luckily, in fairness, nakikita nila, isa sa mga kailangan nilang pagbayaran is ibigay sa atin ang pagban ng political dynasties.
Okay. Power to the people at least. That's what we actually should focus on. Yung strength and the power of change is still with us. Nasa atin pa rin mga tao. No, but we really need to be synergized. We have to be united towards one goal. No? Yung talaga and make people see, the politicians see that we want change and positive change at that. But it should really start from us.
So they cannot ignore us.
Yes,
kasi
exactly.
Kasi kapag talagang the power, the critical mass is together, it's not ignorable. You cannot ignore it. And so far, dahil kasi nakakagulat yung pakinggan, wow, a political dynasty patriarch. Boji D is one of the patriarchs. Boss nung dynasty. The D, medyo mahirap sabihin the D dynasty. Boji D.
Ang lapit na D1 pa, no?
Ang hirap sa Isabela. He said they will try to pass. Now, tingnan natin, the proof will be in the pudding. Pag napasa nila, sa ngayon, pangako pa lang. Pero, it's out there. Pag hindi niya natupad yan, he's a classic politician, si Speaker Boji D. No offense to Speaker. So, he really has to pass it. Otherwise, magmumukha siya trapo.